Hi guys, I'm Amber and I'm here today to put Color Wow's Speed Dry to the test. So I'm a mom, I work from home, my kids do their school from home, so I will do anything to save myself some time, especially when it comes to my blow dry. So what I'm gonna do is I actually took a screenshot on my phone of how long my last blow dry took. We're gonna do the same thing this time and see how much time this product saves us. Come on. So I've already shampooed, conditioned, and towel dried my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Speed Dry and I'm gonna spray liberally throughout from root to tip. So what I already love about this product, and I can smell from spraying it on my hair, is it's alcohol free, which means it's less damaging on my hair. I have super dry hair and I have color treated hair, so that's really important in a Speed Dry blow dry spray. Okay, timer started and I'm ready to blow dry. Okay, I'm just gonna pause for a second so you can see how shiny my hair is. I think that's key, that this blow dry spray does not drag all the moisture out of your hair, but it keeps it in. So I can already tell my hair feels soft and supple and shiny, and anytime in the past that I've used a spray that's meant to speed up the blow dry process, it has always left my hair feeling dull or brittle or just dry afterwards, and that is not what's happening here. It's the exact opposite. Plus, what normally takes me 23 minutes to blow dry, this time only took me 15 minutes. So I think I can say without a doubt that the Speed Dry spray is no joke.